Hello, this is Jeff from GoPro Do It. Today I'm working on upgrading my halogen lights to LED on Mazda 2. To do that job, the fender has to come up and then replace the headlights. So to start removing the fender from the side or behind the wheels, there's this cover. These are the pins, and you should access this bolt in here. Now from the bottom there would be a few 8mm bolts that you need to remove also. Now a few pins. You should be able to remove the fender. Old fender is out, and that's the new one that I got. That has the LED fog lights, and these are the new headlights that I'm gonna install. Just 10 minutes for that. So from this side. That's my headlight car connector, whereas the new headlight has a different connector. What I'll do now is I'm gonna get the wiring diagram of this, and for this one as well. So that's the new connector. It's 13 pin, and that's an old one, it's a 6 pin. So I've done a few tests with my multimeter, and I found out that pin 1, pin 2, pin 3 and pin 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 goes to the high beam, the daylight LED, the low beam and the signal. These are the color wires: blue, green, blue, black, white, and that's the power. That's a 12 volt DC, and that's the ground. Pin 8, 11, 13 and 9 are the ground corresponding ones. The old one, 6 pin, number 6 is for the low beam, number 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 is the high beam, number 5 are for the signal, the blue color, and number 2 is for the low, the very low, the bulb light. Number 4 is the ground, number 1 is the ground for these. So I did cut the wires and wired them between the new connector and the old one. So everything is working fine. I still have the daylight LED ignition power 12 volt on both sides. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, watch for my new videos.